The Grund Module is a utility designed to enable collaborative detection and adaptation to planes. In many AR experiences, it is crucial for virtual assets to align vertically with surfaces in the physical environment. For instance, an AR character positioned on the floor should not appear to sink into or float above it. In a single-user AR experience, this can be accomplished by relying on the trackables reported by the device's native SLAM session. However, in a multi-user AR experience, participants also observe assets placed by others, and they cannot adjust their height. For participant B to perceive an asset placed by participant A as resting on B's horizontal plane, the tracked planes of A and B must be displayed at the same height within the virtual scene. Errors in initial calibration or occasional drift may result in the tracked planes having slightly different heights. To address this issue, the Grund Module continuously recalibrates the device's relative height offset, ensuring that the two tracked planes maintain consistent alignment in height.